In this video, I will first show you a fast and professional way to upload your code to GitHub as a professional programmer. Secondly, I will show you how to update your GitHub code when you make changes locally. Hello guys, if this is the first time you are coming across my channel and you have not subscribed yet, guys, please make sure you subscribe. Click on the subscribe button and also make sure you like this video and write your comment on the comment section. Thank you guys. Let's go, let's do that, and let's continue the video. First thing first, before we can be able to push code to GitHub, we need to install Git. Just go to this URL and you will see option to download for Mac, Windows, Linux. So download the one that is compatible with your machine. So I've already downloaded it into my computer. I'm not going to be able to download it again. So let me just go to terminal. So if you have already downloaded it, just come to terminal, write git-v, and if you see the version of Git installed in your computer, it means it's downloaded. Now let's create a new repo on GitHub by clicking on new. So here, let's write the name of the repo. Let's call it my app. And here, if you want the repo to be public, you leave it on public. If you want it to be private and only be visible to you and the people you invite, let's put it on private and let's create it. So the repo is created successfully and we are going to push our code to this repo. All right. So let's go ahead to the project we're going to be pushing. So here we have the project on the desktop and it's open here in my VS Code. All right. So we're going to be following the instruction we have here to push this code. First of all, we open the terminal in VS Code and we write Git in it. And as you can see, Git has been initialized here and node module folder is not added because we have ignored it. All right. So next, let's use this git add dot. So this will add all the files to Git. And next, let's commit the code. Just copy it and paste. And next, what we are going to do is let's create a remote by copying this and paste here. All right. First of all, we're on master branch. If I use Git branches, it will show me the current branch we're in. And I'll paste the code I just copied. As you can see, the link is exactly what is here. And this is it here. All right. So we can now push the code by saying git push, all right, origin master. So we're pushing the master branch and it has been pushed. Let's refresh. And as you can see, it is here. Look at the code here. Now, I will now show you what happens when we update our code. How do we update the code in Git? So let me go ahead and add some code over here. So the app.get, let's create product route and we're going to respond in a JSON. So the message will just be some kind of JSON, product name, ID, and price. You see, we have now made changes, and as you can see, M is showing over here, which means it has been modified. All right. So to push it, we're going to say git add dot to add the file again, and we commit the changes, right? So we're going to say modified, let's say index.js, and we use git push origin master to push the code. And as you can see, let's refresh. The code has been pushed. Guys, please subscribe to the channel. This is the end of the video.